In this video, we're going over the 5 best bypass loppers you can get. There are different types of loppers out there, but we're focusing on bypass ones because they cut clean and are better for your plants. Depending on what you need, whether it's something light for small branches or a stronger tool for bigger jobs, you'll find something here that fits. We'll help you figure out which one works best for you. Number 5. WOLF-Garten Power Cut Telescoping Bypass Lopper. This lopper features high-carbon German steel blades known for exceptional strength and edge retention, meaning it stays sharp longer even after frequent use. It cuts branches up to about 2 inches thick, suitable for medium to larger branches on trees and shrubs. The dual pivot cutting head multiplies your cutting force, reducing the effort needed for tough cuts. Its handles are telescoping, extending from 25.6 to 35.5 inches, so you can reach higher or farther branches without a ladder or generate more leverage for thicker cuts. The tool weighs about 3.86 pounds, balancing lightness with durability. The handles have ergonomic, non-slip grips that remain comfortable during prolonged work and offer good control in wet or dry conditions. Its build quality is solid, designed for gardeners who want a dependable, versatile lopper with adjustable length for various pruning tasks. Maintenance is straightforward. The blades can be sharpened and cleaned easily, and the telescoping mechanism locks securely. This model suits users needing both reach and cutting power in one tool, from home gardeners to semi-professionals. Number 4. TABOR Tools Small Bypass Lopper. This lopper is designed for lightweight, precision pruning, weighing only 862 grams, about 1.9 pounds. It cuts branches up to 1.25 inches thick, ideal for trimming small shrubs, flowers, and young tree branches without damaging surrounding plants. The short 15-inch handles with rubberized, comfortable grips help reduce hand fatigue and give better control for detailed work in tight spaces. Its compact size makes it easy to maneuver around fences, flower beds, or delicate plants, where larger loppers would be unwieldy. The blades are made from hardened carbon steel, featuring a low friction coating to minimize sticking and maintain sharpness longer. They can be resharpened to extend tool life. Storage is easy with a hanging hole on the handles, and the lopper can lock closed safely. It's a smart pick for beginners, seniors, or anyone who needs a light, easy-to-use tool for detailed, everyday garden pruning. Not ideal for thick branches, but perfect for regular maintenance and smaller garden areas. Number 3. Fiskars 28-inch Power Lever Bypass Lopper. This model offers a good balance of power and comfort. It weighs around 3 pounds and can handle branches up to 1.75 inches thick, suitable for general garden pruning and tree trimming. The power lever technology uses a compound lever system that multiplies cutting power up to 3 times compared to standard loppers, which makes it easier to cut through tougher branches without tiring your hands. The precision ground steel blades are coated to reduce friction and resist rust, ensuring smoother cuts and longer blade life. The handles are 28 inches long, featuring soft grip touch points and ergonomic shaping that fit comfortably in your hands and prevent slipping. The blade and handle materials are built for durability, but still lightweight enough for extended use. This lopper is ideal for people who need a reliable mid-range tool that performs well on medium branches without sacrificing comfort. It's also backed by a lifetime warranty, indicating Fiskars' confidence in its build quality. Number 2. Corona Tools 30-inch Branch Cutter Bypass Lopper. Corona's lopper focuses heavily on user comfort and cutting efficiency. It cuts branches up to 1.5 inches thick, making it good for light to medium pruning. The ComfortGEL soft rubber grips are ergonomically shaped to reduce hand pressure and increase control, ideal for gardeners who suffer from hand fatigue or arthritis. The handles, measuring 25 inches, are made from extra-strong trapezoidal steel, which adds rigidity and strength without making the tool too heavy. A special feature is the shock guard bumpers placed between the handles that absorb impact and reduce strain on your wrists and hands after repeated use. The alloy steel blades have a non-stick coating to reduce sap buildup and maintain sharpness. The dual-arc blade design distributes cutting pressure evenly for cleaner cuts and less effort. Overall, the Lopper balances durability, comfort, and precision, making it a good fit for gardeners who want a quality tool that minimizes physical strain during regular pruning sessions. Number 1. Fiskars 32-inch PowerGear Loppers. This is the top heavy-duty option, cutting branches up to 2 inches thick. It weighs 2.55 pounds, which is light for its size thanks to its rugged but lightweight aluminum construction. It features Fiskars' patented PowerGear technology, which uses a gear system to multiply your hand power, making it much easier to cut through thick, tough branches without tiring your muscles or wrists. The blades are made of fully hardened bypass steel with a low-friction coating that prevents sap and dirt from sticking, promoting cleaner cuts that help plants heal faster and extending blade life. The handles are 32 inches long with soft grip, ergonomic grips that cushion your hands and prevent slipping, even when sweaty or wet. The tool's length provides excellent leverage, reducing the effort needed on larger branches. This model is built for serious gardeners and professionals who need power, precision, and comfort for heavy pruning, tree trimming, and clearing larger branches. It comes with a lifetime warranty, ensuring durability and peace of mind. It's not as compact as some others, but excels in power and long-term reliability. Thanks for watching. Hopefully, this helped you understand the different bypass loppers and which one might be right for your garden. If you have any questions or want to share your experience, feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tool reviews. See you next time!